Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add notes on Instagram Reels. If you've been searching for a way to add note on your or someone's Instagram Reels, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add a note on someone's Instagram Reel video, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, find the Reel video on which you want to add a note message. You can find Reels by tapping the video icon at the bottom of the Instagram screen. You can also access your Reels from your profile page under the Reels tab. Once you find the Reel video, you will see various options on the right side of the screen. From the right side of the video, tap on the share icon. A pop-up menu appears. From here, tap on Add Note at the bottom left of the pop-up screen. Now, a text box will appear with your Instagram profile picture where you can type your comment or message. Type your note message in the box and select who can see your note below the text box. You can choose either followers you follow back or close friends. Lastly, tap the share button at the bottom of the notes. Once you share, your friends and close friends will see your note on someone's or your Reel video, and it disappears automatically after 3 days.